hiccuping. I swear to God, I swear to fucking God. I hope somebody clipped the fuck out of my stream. FBI, open up!
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fuckers watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
I will not be able to come in December 1st due to illness. Oh.
Big December 10th.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna go eat some shit.
Alright, Mango. I love you, dude. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being on the stream. Thank you for being on the Discord. Thank you for joining the Discord. Thank you for being a part of this entire experience. Thank you, dude. I love you.
Peace, Mango.
Love you too, man.
I love you, dude. Thank you. Peace. Wow.
No, now you can stay up all night till 5 a.m.
Lol. I can't stop hiccuping, which sucks. I have 5 fucking viewers. That's pog as fuck.
Hell yeah, dude. People love your thick old boy. They see your underwear.
Thank you so much for watching my stream. I appreciate the fuck out of you, dude.
They see your underwear. They're trying to
play that shit. Lol. Lol.
Controller, so that's gotta be something. Well,
I can't stop hiccuping.
Just drink pop, man.
The water didn't help.
You're done in.
Let's.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh my god, I can't stop fucking him. Yo, that bitch actually canceled the fucking date on me. What the fuck, dude?
You wouldn't have fucking had this awesome night if you get
True. Wow.
Everything was meant.
I can't believe I called in to work, dude. I need that money so bad, but I called in to work. Followers, dude. Fucking viewers. Or Twitch 50. I'm gonna get my ass destroyed. You have been clipping my stream? Thank fucking God, because I know I'm not gonna remember this shit in the morning.
You're getting your shit pushed in.
Yeah. Here, let's see.
They can't get mad at you.
Oh.
State the reason you are committing suicide.
Nothing to live for. I got nothing and no one.
Hi.
I pray.
Hell yeah.
I pray to fucking God you clip some of this shit so I remember it in the morning.
Or how to publish or whatever. It's like send it to the streamer.
Alright, I'm gonna end my stream. Yo, whoever the fuck's on my stream. You're Pog.
Hell yeah, dude.
Thank you for being in my stream.
They had a good time watching you having a good time. Fuck yeah. Just the way the world goes.